Okay, I just wanted to give a quick demonstration of how to use active dates in Lesson Launchpad. So to turn on active dates, you have to go to settings. It is not on by default. So right here, you'll click use active dates, and now it is on. And I'll show you how that changes the screen. So if I go back to my class here, now I have a date picker in the bottom right-hand corner. You can use the arrows to go back and forth on a date, or you can click to open the date picker to pick a date more in the future. It defaults to today's dates. When I first opened it, it was Wednesday, July 31st. That's because that is the day that I'm filming this. But you can use, once again, these controls to change the date, and that is the active date that Lesson Launchpad will be using as you're using it. So let's give a quick little demonstration. So let's say I want to plan my content. Let's just go to next week. We'll just say we're going to go ahead and plan our content for next week. So I moved it over to Monday, August 5th, and notice there is no content scheduled for that day. So now if I go to my launch button and I click add content box, I'm going to add an agenda box, and the active dates for that agenda box are set to Monday, August 5th, because that's the day I had down here in my date picker. So if I go to Tuesday, notice that it disappeared. If I go back to Monday, it's there again. So I'm going to go ahead and call this Monday agenda just to make it really clear what we're doing here. So there's our Monday agenda. I could edit that. I'm going to go ahead and add a Tuesday agenda. So launch, add content box. We're going to add another agenda box. And I'm going to call this one, you guessed it, Tuesday agenda. We're going to save that. And now, as we toggle back and forth between Monday and Tuesday, we'll see I've got my Monday agenda and I've got my Tuesday agenda. So when these days come around, Lesson Launchpad is going to automatically, when you go to this class, Lesson Launchpad is going to load up the content for that active date. Now, let's say I want to have a box, a text editor box, that's actually going to be on every day. So we're going to call this whole week notes. Okay. Now, right now, it's just set to Monday. So if I scroll to Tuesday, it's not there because the default active date that it picks when you have active dates turned on is the date that you've got it set to. To change the date of it, you can go to this calendar button right here, and you can set active dates. So I'm going to leave it on the 5th, and I'm going to set the end date for the 9th. So I'm going to click Save Active Dates, close that, and now we should see that it's going to pop up every single day of this week. So I just moved to Tuesday. We have our Tuesday agenda, but our whole week notes box is still there. If I go to Wednesday, that's the only thing that's there because I haven't scheduled anything else. Thursday it should be there, Friday it should be there, and then Saturday it's going to go away. So that's one way to use active dates. The other component of this that has active dates are the announcements. So if I go to my announcements here and click Add, and we are currently on Wednesday. So that's one thing to notice there. I'm going to go ahead and actually change it to Monday. Oh, and we're on the wrong Monday because we're actually doing it next Monday. So next Monday, August 5th, add announcement, and we're just going to call this Monday. Very creative, I know. Then we're going to add an announcement for Tuesday. I wonder what this one's going to be called. Tuesday, there it is. All right. So now you'll see, if I go back to my class here, that on, once again, it's going to default to today. So I'm going to scroll to Monday, and now we have our Monday box, our whole week notes, and our Monday announcement is scrolling up there. If I go to Tuesday, well, now it's going to change to the Tuesday announcement. I'm going to also now go back here, and I'm going to add an announcement. Now it's currently set to Wednesday, but that's fine because I'm going to change the dates of it anyway. I'm going to set this for whole week. This is our whole week announcement. So we're going to want it to be present every single day. Now it's currently, you can see here the active date is currently only the 31st. When we don't want it to be the 31st at all, we want it to be Monday, August 5th through Friday, August 9th. So I'm going to set those active dates, and notice they're down here, and they're only down here in inactive because, once again, Lesson Launchpad is currently operating as if it is Wednesday, July 31st, because that is what today is, but I can change it to Monday, and now you'll see we've got our Monday announcement and our whole week announcement. On Tuesday, we're going to have our Tuesday announcement and our whole week announcement. So I'll go back to the class, and we will hopefully see that in action. So let me go to Monday the 5th. So we've got our Monday agenda, whole week notes, Monday announcement, whole week announcement. On Tuesday, oops, one too many. Tuesday, we've got our Tuesday agenda and our whole week notes, and then our Tuesday announcement and our whole week announcement. So that is how active dates work in Lesson Launchpad.